A lot of persons have been complaining that they've been getting scammed whenever they buy or sell cryptocurrencies using P2P on centralized exchanges. For me, I've never been scammed whenever I'm trying to use P2P. But I'm not trying to belittle you or dispute the fact that you got scammed. It was true that you got scammed. But what I want to show you in this video is things I usually do whenever I'm using P2P so that you don't get scammed anymore. So if this video interests you, make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. The platform I'll be using in this video is called WEEX, and it is one of the biggest exchanges right now. If you don't have an account with WEEX, go ahead and use my link in the description to sign up right away. When you use that to sign up and make your first deposit, you're going to get free bonus for signing up and using the platform to basically trade. So go ahead right now and use the link to sign up right away. Now, the first thing you're going to do is, once you're done signing up with the link in the description, then you can install the app and log in. So you should have an interface like this. So the first thing you want to do is to click on P2P. I'm going to show you how to buy and how to sell so that you see that there's no problem with that at all. So once you come in here, first thing you're going to do is to select your currency. So mine is NGN, but you can click on it and check for your currency. And next, I'm going to type in the amount I want. So let's say I want to do 200,000 Naira. It would automatically filter every person I can buy from right here. So let's say I want to focus on the persons with a lot of orders completed or trades and then their win rates. So the first person here I'm saying is the governor with 1,676 trades and the win rate is 100%. The next person has completed 2,047 trades and the win rate is around 96%. The next one is 2,900. So you can see this one down here has more of it, and then the rate is around 98.99%. So I like to focus on the persons with a lot of transactions. You can see once you're coming down here, you're seeing some persons with 400, 169, and the rest of that. I like to focus on the people with a lot of transaction. So next, I want to click on this filter icon at the top here and click on available to trade. And I'm going to click on confirm. All right, so you also look at the time frame they use. So this one is 15 minutes, the first person, second person, third person. So the next one here is 30 minutes. So that is also very, very important. So let's say we're going with the governor. I'm going to click on it. And now you can see that you need to complete your ID verification for you to be allowed to do P2P. So next, you're going to click on complete. And next, you're going to click on continue. So if you're going to select your country, depending on the country you fall in. So just click here and you should be able to select your country, but I'm in Nigeria. And next, there are two methods you can use to do your verification, either your BVN or your NIN. So this is going to be based on your respective country. So anyone that works for you, you'll just go ahead and get the number. So for me, I'm going to get my BVN and I'm going to paste it here. Don't worry, it is completely safe for you to do this. Nothing is going to happen to your account. So I'm going to click on continue. Okay, next, camera. So I need to place this on my face. And face scan is complete. And that's completed. So I can just click on refresh to see, okay, now it is basically working. So let me go ahead and pick someone right away. All right, so I'm going to go with the governor. And what you notice here is 1 minute ago, so he went offline just 1 minute ago. It doesn't mean he's not going to be here to pick your trade, but sometimes I like to focus on the person that is online, that basically completed a lot of order and is online at the moment. So let me go with the next person here. And you can see it says online, so I want to focus on this person. So let's put in the amount. And I'm just going to click on this check mark here and click on buy USDT with 0 fee. So I'm just going to click on OK. And here's the person's account details for me to make payment. So I have 15 minutes to make this payment. If not, they will tell me that this transaction is cancelled. So I'm just going to copy his account number. The account number is currently blurred and the name is blurred, so you don't get to see it. So I'll go ahead to make this transfer right now. So next, I've made it transfer, so I'm just going to click on transfer complete. And I need to upload the payment proof. So make sure you save it the moment you do that transaction. So for me, I'm going to upload my payment proof. I'm just going to click on the plus sign here, click on phone library. and click on confirm. So right now, I have made this transfer to this person. I should expect to receive it within this time frame. But if you look right here, it says 95% of this seller's order are completed within 2 minutes. I can still chat him up if I want. Hi, I just made payment. Kindly release. And I'm just going to send it to him. And boom, it's been completed. It didn't even take up to 1 minute and I've received my crypto in here right away. So let's go back. So right now I have my money in here and I can get started with trading or doing any other thing I want to do on this platform. All right, so since I've been able to show you how to buy so you don't get scammed, let me go ahead and show you how you can also sell so that you also do not get scammed. All right, to do that, first off, your money is going to be in your funding account. So if you don't have it, let's say you have it in your spot account, just click on transfer and make sure you have from spot to funding and put in the amount you want to send there, and it's going to go to your funding account right away. Once you're done with that, now come back to the home page and click on P2P. This time, instead of clicking on buy, you're going to click on sell and put in the amount you want to sell. So let's say I wanted to withdraw 100,000. Okay. Now I've been able to type the amount in here, so I will basically look out for the people I can trade with right here. So first person shows restricted. You're going to avoid that person with everything you have. Second person has completed only 11 trades. Is a red flag for me. It's too small. Next one, restricted, 0 trades, 92 trades, still very, very small. So I can click on this filter and click on available to trade and click on confirm. So this should filter quite better person. So we have this first person here with 675 trades. Still very small for me. I like to focus on 1,000 plus, 2,000 and above. So I can come down more and look for any person that fits my category. But what you're going to notice is the lower you go, the lower the rate you actually get. So sometimes that's why people pick any kind of person, because of rate. But if you look at it, it could just be 5 naira, 10 naira difference. So why are you risking your money just because of a tiny difference? Okay, so I can see this person, Rabiu, who has completed 1,000 trades, 1,085 trades with 99%. You can see there's a green dot in his name, which shows that this person is online. But sometimes, even when it's not showing as green dot close to the name, doesn't mean it's not online. All right, but the time here is 30 minutes. So since it's the best person we can trade with, so I'm just going to click on sell. And first, I need to type in my payment method. So I'm just going to click on add payment method and click on payment method over here. Click on add method and NGN correct. So I can click on the account. So I'm going to use OP. And this is my name. So I'm just going to type my account number. And once I've typed my account number, I'm just going to click on add. And I need to get the code from my email. So I just click on get code. 319320. So I'm going to click on yes. And now I have my bank account added. So I can go back and type in the amount I want to trade again. So 100,000 and click on sell. Right now, I'm just going to select the guy and put in the amount I want to sell. So I'll just type in, let's say 100,000 naira. That should be around $69.9. I'll click on I have read. But this guy is showing that he's away 2 minutes ago. So I can basically go away and look for another person. So I'm just going to click on sell. It's going to take the next 29 minutes for this to be completed. So I can basically just chat him up. Hi, kindly make payment. So sometimes they're going to ask you to drop your phone number if you, before they are going to make payment. So I usually just drop my phone number. And now I'm just going to wait for him to make payment. And the moment I receive it, then I would show you guys. All right, so payment has been made and he actually chatted me up. It didn't even take, you can see, payment was even made like 1 minute after. And right here, you can see I've received the payment of 100K. So I'm just going to click on it and click on payment received, click on confirm. And I need to get the verification code. So I'm going to click on yes. And now my payment has been completed. So I have been able to release this crypto to this person. I have my money in my bank account. You can see how easy it is for you to basically trade using WEEX and using some of these few strategies that you need to look into before trading. So I hope this video helps you not to get scammed again going forward. And if you don't have an account with WEEX, make sure you use my link in the description to sign up so that you're going to get free bonuses when you actually do that. Use the link right away to sign up. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. And I did another video about step-by-step guide on how you can trade futures and spot trading using WEEX. If you want to check out that video, then click on this video right here to watch it.